Hello, this is Jalen 3D Printing, and welcome to Print of the Week, episode 121, 3D Print Chain. Okay, so the print's done, so I'm going to go ahead and grab it off the bed. This chain is printed at one link at a time, so you can make the chain as long as you want just by printing as many links as you want. So, I printed just one here, but then I got a few others that I printed earlier. So you could do all the same color, or you could change up and have a little bit of fun with it and like alternate colors. So I also printed up some black ones that we can just alternate with the blue, and they go together really easily. You just line up the little slits in the middle at a perpendicular angle, and they just slide right on. And then because the slit is right in the middle of the chain, they actually stay on really good. And for fun, you could make like a loop out of the chain. So if you want to make like a necklace or something like that out of these, you could. Or you could just use it to like hang something. If you like the print, links down in the description. If you like the video, go and leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.